Hi everyone, I'm Bhavti Pujara, a lawyer and a trainer associated with SkillArbitrage. I welcome you all to this independent director series, From Any Background to the Boardroom. We have specifically designed these series for all of those who think that they need to be from some specific background to become an independent director. We all want to make you aware and give you information on why your domain experience, whatever it doesn't matter, is exactly what India boards are actually looking for. So let's understand. So your domain is not a disqualifier. You might be from the sales and marketing, law and compliance, teaching in academia, or from government and armed forces. I want to make you all aware that it might be your biggest advantage. You know what boards are actually looking for? Not a CFO, not somebody who's a management accountant, or maybe with internal audit teams or legal counsel on retainer, compliance officers. No, they already have that. What they are actually looking for is someone who's going to ask questions that others won't ask for, someone who can manage the crisis, a stakeholder navigation skills, who can maintain his integrity while under pressure, someone who can give that perspective that the whole room doesn't have. Meet Sanjay Roy. It's a real story. He's worked for 36 years in Indian Navy. Can you guess how much of experience he has of the corporate world? 0 days. Yet, at the age of 60, he got his first board appointment. 36 years in Indian Navy, and he's appointed at the Sachet Rome Limited. He used to think that's for CAs and lawyers, maybe not for someone like me. His 36 years in the Navy meant crisis management, stakeholder navigation, and ethical standards under societal pressure. As it turns out, that's exactly what boards needed. He cleared IICA exam in August 2023. He was appointed at Sachet Rome Limited by early 2024. So meet so many of yet Sanjay Roys. What I mean to say is these all, they do not fit all of these stereotype. All of them, they've brought something that the board actually needed. Suman Chaudhary, she's working with Zappo Fresh presently. She had 2 decades of experience of agribusiness consultant. Meet Dr. Ganga Vidya. She's a management professor, ESG expertise. She's working with Solar 91 Energy. Mr. Vivek, he was an operations consultant and now appointed at the boards of Cashew Drive. Neetu Dhulia, media and publications professional. Right now, she's working with Rubber Tech Startup. I'm sure most of you must be wondering what they did that others people don't. Well, to be honest, most people can never start. They actually stopped waiting to be discovered. They built relationships with the right people. They got visible on LinkedIn. They posted, they engaged, they identified companies preparing for IPOs. Instead of waiting for appointment calls, they actually positioned themselves upstream, where the demand was forming before it became urgent. Now, I want you all to understand this example and analyze and introspect and ask yourself this question. Could Sanjay have done this at 50? Yes. Could you do that at 45? Yes. At 55? Yes. At 65? So the question is not whether you're qualified. The question is whether you are willing to position yourself strategically. Your experience carries real values in the boardrooms, and it might become your biggest advantage only if you become visible. Your experience, it belongs in a boardroom. Follow along for the full roadmap on how to get there. Clear the IICA exam, whatever your background is, build a personal brand that makes you discoverable. Network with the right people before they come looking. Secure your first board appointment.